Like the sweet sound of an echo be Khenchen Ngawang Palzang Amitabha, Lord of all Buddha's speech, and worker of wonders, matched by none, trailblazer of the teachings in the land of snows, lake-born Vajra of incomparable kindness, to you I bow. My mind is inspired by your letter, so filled with warmth, along with your gift of silver coins and the teachings on right and wrong you so loving chose to share with me. Though I had holy teachers, and I like to think that I committed myself well to learning and reflection, it is difficult for someone of my intellectual ability to fully grasp the texts of the early translation vehicle in all their subtlety and profundity. Therefore, I will share with you what little I have understood. Just as Sudhana Kumar relied on Maitreya as his spiritual mentor in the Avatamsaka Sutra, keep checking your mind for true understanding and consider whether you are satisfied with your practice. In the early translation tradition of the lake-born Vajra, the conduct of the wondrous scholar of Zahor, and the unrivaled view of glorious Nagarjuna were sealed into a unified stream of transmission. Of these, I have some genuine understanding, even if you have not learned enough to be well-versed in all the Vinayas' permissions and prohibitions, have firm conviction in the infallibility of karmic consequence. Consider your intention to abandon harm and all it stems from, and see if you possess all the key points of the Pratimoksha. Those who run their mouth about the Vinaya being the root of the teachings while killing men, rustling horses, selling their lives away, and fribbling in worthless chatter, I find nothing to say to people like that. Empty dharmata, free from elaborations, and the infallible interdependence of what appears. These are not in contradiction. They go hand in hand. Clearly see this as the essence of the early translations' philosophy. Compounded virtue and uncompounded virtue do not contradict each other. Being empty and interdependent, they are inseparable and equal. Know that they cannot occur in isolation. Compounded virtue holds no one back. Even Nagarjuna's disciple, glorious Candrakirti, said, "The compassionate mind, non-dualistic intelligence, and bodhicitta, these are the causes of bodhisattvas." Who dares object to the reasoning behind this statement? We must determine exactly what needs to be negated. In the precious treasury of philosophical systems, Longchen Rabjam, Lord of Victors who sees things just as they are in the view beyond extremes, states that what must be negated is true existence. He says the same in the Trilogy of Rest. Appearances do not bind you. Your fixation to them binds you. Cutting fixation to the true existence of appearances is the path of the middle way. Gaining certainty that truth is not singular or plural is taught to be the view of the middle way. There are coarse and subtle distinctions in how Prasangikas and Svatantrikas identify the object of negation and establish conventional reality. All philosophical systems resound with these polemics. But what good is it to just parrot those words? In the traditions of the higher and lower systems, there is much discussion about conventional validating cognition pertaining to conventional truth. But if you try to prove that one system is right and others are causes of confusion, won't you spiral down the wrong path? Those who take only the path of method, glorifying it as the path of Evam, they make a lot of noise, but do little that is genuine. Although I have gained certainty in the authentic path of pristine awareness coalescing with basic space, still, I am apprehensive about broadcasting what is secret, a text that conveys the realization of the harmony of the teachings of Sutra and Tantra, is the great scripture, the wish-fulfilling treasury. It gracefully unravels the Buddha's enlightened perspective and comprehensively lays out the stages of a person's spiritual journey. Please understand that logical polemics are specious fabrications. I offer this letter just for your amusement. As for me, I am not attached to my own philosophy, nor hostile to the ideas of others. Fighting over words is the pastime of the puerile. This, like the sweet sound of an echo, I offer you with respect. Translated by Joseph McClellan and N.T. Ninjed, 2025.